How to take multiple snaps on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen. Here, you can take snaps and videos on Snapchat. On this screen, tap on the downward arrow icon as shown. These are all the camera options on Snapchat. Now tap on the multi-snap option as shown. In this option, you can take multiple snaps as shown in here. You can also edit each snap. Tap on Edit and Send after you're done taking the snaps. Here, choose which snap you want to edit and edit it as you like. Then tap on the Send To button at the bottom right corner of the page to share these snaps with your friends in Snapchat. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and take multiple snaps on Snapchat.